Hey, how are you? Well, it's fallen on me to make the announcement of not only Ireland, but also England. So a lot of people will kind of muck about and keep you guessing who's the winner, but why don't I just jump straight to the winner? For Ireland, that is Power Ups FC. You're through to the finals. Well done, Ireland. Now, naturally, you want me to go straight on and tell you who's the winner for England, and I am going to do that after this brief intermission. First of all, you're probably wondering about my fabulous hair. Well, that was a donation from none other than Will Dorrington. Will, you so know how to dress a man. Oh, I love it. Anyhow, let's get back on with the announcement. First of all, second of all, I don't know, first, second, third, it's this hair. It just makes me crazy. Anyhow, Power Armadillos, you are amazing. Your presentation was fantastic. Your use of the Microsoft Power Platform and all the latest tech was incredible. Thanks so much. I just want to make a special mention of your submission. Now, did I mention that it was Luca as well as myself that came to this decision? Just want to make sure you know this wasn't just me making this final decision, so I'll put that out there, even though I have this fabulous job of telling you the winner. So, how do we decide the winner? Well, first of all, we love that it addressed a specific social issue, one that has been a problem for probably many years, but been highlighted recently, and that is around bullying. And I love the way this team came together and practically addressed a bullying issue that allows data over time to understand patterns of behavior and how to address those and get positive outcomes for the individual, which of course will grow into an adult at some point and then affect greater society. So I love what they did there. Second, their demo was on point. It was a nice, succinct, flowing, I could see the application work from start to finish, good presentation of data and analytics behind the scenes, really well done. And finally, they used the time superbly. They got everything in. They addressed the issue within the Power Apps that they built, within the dashboards that they displayed, and provides a very practical solution to this problem. So who was it? Because more than one team addressed this issue. But I have to tell you today that the winning team was... Who was the winning team? Are you screaming at the video yet and saying, tell us who the winning team is? Okay, I'll tell you who the winning team is. It was Team Save the Dodo. They are the winning team. Well done, guys. I loved the entire presentation. I think you addressed exactly what we're trying to achieve with this hackathon. Now, onto the internationals, or the challenge of the universe, the amazing finals. I hope England and Ireland are going to be in those top positions, whatever the announcement is in the coming days.